Hey people, so we are at this place called Barbecue Nation, which is in Forum Mall. And if you were to take a look at the kind of menu card, Ayush, that's what we always like to. So yeah, in the starters you have Ayush. How do you find the whole place? It is 991 for a vegetarian and 1100 for a non-vegetarian. So it is on the higher side. But yeah, once in a while these indulgences are fine, I guess. But yeah, they told us they would bring us. Ooh, see, there is. Yeah, you could put it. Yeah.
Barbecue pineapple.
Okay.
With a peri-peri paneer tikka.
Oh, like that.
Chili garlic mushroom.
Awesome.
Barbecue pineapple.
Okay, so this is good. And yes, Ayush, you'd want. Oh, Shona, here, take it. This one. Paneer. Okay, so yeah, once in a while, such a thing would be fine, I guess. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.